Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Hasnan from Logics. In this video, we're going to understand automations in GoHighLevel and why they are the most important part in the entire platform. GoHighLevel is not just a CRM, not just a funnel builder, and not just a messaging tool either. At its core, GoHighLevel is built to automate business processes. That's why GoHighLevel keeps bringing everything like CRM, calendars, pipelines, SMS, email under one roof. Because automation only works properly when all data lives in one place. When tools are scattered, automations break. When everything is connected inside one system, automations become reliable. In this video, we won't build complex workflows here. We will first understand how automations think, what triggers them, and why every major feature in GoHighLevel depends on automation. Once you understand this, every other feature in GoHighLevel will start making sense. So let's get started. Let's understand what automation actually means inside GoHighLevel. Automation in GHL works on a very simple rule. When something happens, do something automatically. That's it. Everything else in GoHighLevel is built around this logic. And now let's elaborate what something happens means here. In GoHighLevel, something happens can be a form is submitted, an appointment is booked, an appointment is marked no-show, a lead moves to another pipeline stage, a tag is added or removed, a certain time passes. These events are called triggers. Triggers tell the system, pay attention, something has changed. What do something means here? Once a trigger happens, GoHighLevel can send an SMS or email, move a lead in a pipeline, assign an owner, notify a team member, stop or start another workflow, wait, and take an action later. These are called actions. Automation is simple. Trigger, action, and result. Why automation is central in GHL? Every major feature in GHL exists to create triggers or to respond to triggers. Calendars create appointment triggers, pipelines create stage change triggers, forms create submission triggers. Without automation, calendars are just booking pages, pipelines are just boards, and CRM is just a contact list. Automation turns them into a working system. And one critical thing is automation is not here to correct your process. It is here to pace up your process. If your process is bad, the automation will create a faster chaos. If your process is good, then automation will scale. In the upcoming videos, we will build simple automations first, then move to real business scenarios. And finally, connect automations with calendars, pipelines, lead management. But before building, you must understand how automations think. See you in the next video.